അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, in the last few videos we discussed a couple of South Indian recipes. So today I am going to share two interesting ways to make aloo paratha. The first step is to knead a soft dough or atta to make parathas. The idea is to add a little salt and oil to the dough and keep adding water little by little. Set the dough aside and apply a little oil to it. Cover it with a cloth or plate so that it doesn't dry up. Let us get to the first way of making aloo paratha. Ingredients: boiled potatoes 5, Jeera or Cumin Seeds 1 spoon, Ajwan 1 spoon, Coriander powder 2 spoons, Turmeric powder ½ spoon, Chilli powder 1 spoon, Amchur or dry mango powder 1 spoon, Chaat Masala 1 spoon, Asafoetida 1 to 2 pinches, salt for taste. Mash the potatoes well and add required amount of salt and set it aside. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai. Add Ajwan, Jeera, Coriander powder, Chilli powder, Turmeric powder and Amchur powder, Chaat Masala along with Asafoetida and fry for about 30 seconds. Add the mashed potatoes to the kadai and mix well. Fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Now let it cool and refrigerate it for 1 hour. This makes the potato tight and makes it easier for us to make the parathas with this stuffing. Now take 1 ball of the dough and flatten it a little. Take 1 ball of the potato stuffing and cover it with the dough to make a ball like this. Keep this side facing downwards and flatten the dough as gently as possible using very little force. If you do this in a hurry, then the potato stuffing will come out, and hence patience is very important when you flatten the dough, especially for beginners. Once it is ready, put it on a tawa like this and let it cook. Turn it over and add a little ghee. Cook the paratha on medium flame and transfer it to a plate. After it's completely cooked, serve the parathas with curd or pickle. This aloo paratha is very famous among my family members and I am sure you will also love it. For the next paratha, which is also a stuffed paratha, the ingredients are 3 boiled potatoes, coriander powder 1 spoon, Amchur or dry mango powder ½ spoon, garam masala ½ spoon, chilli powder ½ spoon, chaat masala ½ spoon, green chilli 1 finely chopped, salt for taste, jeera powder ½ spoon, mash the potatoes well and add required amount of salt and add all masalas to the mashed potatoes and mix it well. Lastly, add coriander leaves also to the mashed potatoes and mix it well and keep it aside. Now take 1 bowl of dough and flatten it a little. Now add the potato stuffing to this and cover it to make a ball like this. Like we did earlier, keep this downwards and flatten the paratha gently. Once it is ready, put it on a tawa like this and let it cook. Turn it over and add a little ghee or oil. Cook the paratha on a medium flame and transfer it to a plate after it is completely cooked. Serve the paratha with curd or pickle. Your second type of aloo paratha is now ready. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.